Are you looking for the top 5 best reciprocating saws reviewed? Hey folks, I recently dove deep into the world of reciprocating saws. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional contractor, you need tools that can keep up with your projects. Join me as I break down the top 5 reciprocating saws on the market, giving you the real scoop on performance, durability, and value.
Product number 1, DeWalt 20V Max Reciprocating Saw. When I first got my hands on the DeWalt 20V Max Reciprocating Saw, I was immediately impressed by its build quality and design. The bright yellow color is not just eye-catching, but also a signature of DeWalt's reliability. I took it out for a spin for a weekend woodwork project. The first thing I noticed was the variable speed trigger, allowing me to control the strokes per minute up to 3,000. This was a game changer when I was cutting through thicker wood. No more struggling or overdoing it. The keyless blade clamp made changing blades a breeze. I didn't even have to touch the blade, which felt safer. Another feature I loved was its brushless motor, which not only enhances performance, but also prolongs battery life. I managed to get through several cuts without needing a recharge. On the downside, being bare tool only means you'll need to invest in a battery if you don't have one already. However, if you're in the DeWalt ecosystem, this is an incredible addition to your toolkit. Pros: high-speed performance, lightweight, and easy blade changes. Cons: bare tool only, may require additional battery investment. Why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable saw that delivers both power and versatility for various cutting tasks, the DeWalt 20V Max is a solid choice that won't let you down.
Product number 2, DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Reciprocating Saw. The DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Reciprocating Saw was a delight to test. At just 12.5 inches long and 37% lighter than its predecessor, I found it incredibly easy to handle. It felt like an extension of my arm rather than a bulky tool. The LED light was a nice touch. I often work in dimly lit areas, and this feature helped illuminate my workspace. The variable speed trigger provided precise control, allowing me to adjust the speed as needed for different types of cuts. I was particularly impressed with the tool-free blade release, which meant I could switch blades with one hand easily. Although it's designed for one-handed operation, I found it balanced enough that it didn't feel awkward. However, I did notice that while it's great for wood, it may struggle with tougher materials. Pros: compact size, lightweight, and efficient for light to medium cuts. Cons: might not handle tougher materials as effectively. Why buy it? If you're looking for a portable, easy-to-use saw for general projects, the DeWalt Atomic is a fantastic option that offers both portability and performance.
Product number 3, Ryobi ONE+ 18V Cordless Reciprocating Saw. I snagged the Ryobi ONE+ 18V Cordless Reciprocating Saw at a price that was hard to beat, and it didn't disappoint. The first project I tackled was a series of cuts on some old wooden pallets. With a stroke length of 1 inch and a speed of up to 3,400 strokes per minute, I breezed through the material. I appreciated the quick release lever for blade changes. It was quick and hassle-free, even when I was in the middle of a project. One thing I found particularly beneficial was the pivoting shoe. It provided extra stability during cuts. However, I did notice that while it's efficient for wood, it may not be the best option for metal or tougher materials. Pros: affordable, efficient cuts, and part of the Ryobi ONE+ system for tool compatibility. Cons: limited performance with tougher materials. Why buy it? If you're already in the Ryobi ecosystem or looking for a budget-friendly option, this saw is a reliable choice for light to moderate cutting tasks.
Product number 4, DeWalt 20V Max XR Reciprocating Saw. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Reciprocating Saw is a powerhouse. With a compact design and a brushless motor, it quickly became my go-to tool for demanding projects. Weighing only 5 pounds, it was lightweight enough to minimize fatigue during long cutting sessions. The variable speed trigger delivered up to 2,900 strokes per minute, which made it incredibly versatile across different materials. I took it to a job site where I had to cut through metal and wood, and it handled both like a champ. The keyless 4-position blade clamp was another highlight. It allowed for quick blade changes and improved cutting versatility. Plus, the built-in LED light illuminated my workspace, which was crucial in tight spots. The only drawback? The price point is a bit higher than some competitors, but you get what you pay for. Pros:
Excellent runtime, versatile, and efficient for various materials. Cons? Higher price point. Why buy it? If you're a professional or serious DIYer, the DeWalt 20V Max XR is worth every penny for its performance and versatility.
Product number 5. Cordless Reciprocating Saw by Samviner. I was curious to try the cordless reciprocating saw by Samviner, especially given its budget-friendly price. Right out of the box, it felt solid and well-constructed. It's compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, which is a huge plus if you already own DeWalt tools. The variable speed of up to 3,500 strokes per minute made it surprisingly effective for various projects around the house. I was able to effortlessly cut through wood, metal, and PVC, making it a versatile option for DIY enthusiasts. The tool-free blade change feature worked as advertised, allowing me to switch blades quickly. However, I did find that it wasn't as robust as some of the more expensive models, particularly for heavy-duty tasks. Pros: affordable, versatile, and user-friendly. Cons: may not be as durable for heavy-duty jobs. Why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable saw without breaking the bank, the Samviner is a solid entry-level option that performs well for lighter cutting tasks. In conclusion, whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, there's a reciprocating saw on this list that will meet your needs. From the powerful DeWalt models to the budget-friendly Samviner, each of these tools has its unique strengths. Investing in the right saw can make all the difference in your projects, so choose wisely and happy cutting.